Hello. So these are my written assignments. So I wrote my first written assignment. I wrote about um, the California Content Standards. I learned that the California Content Standards in every subject, such as English, language arts, science, and math, are very important to have these standards for teachers to implement in their lesson plans and learning objectives. I learned that Ewing Elementary School implements California state standards by measuring the process, by providing adequate staff and teachers that it needs to educate students. And I learned that the host teacher makes sure that students know to access ebooks and develop digital literacy by allowing them to research and obtain necessary skills to be successful. So the host teacher that I was observing, he always used California Content Standards or Common Core standards to make sure that the students met the criteria that the California um, education required for Fresno County to follow. Another takeaway I learned from my most memorable teacher written assignment is that um, I I uh, um, I really admire teachers because of the hard work and personal communication they have towards students' lives. I learned that one of my one of my favorite and memorable teacher always had the backbone to talk to me and tell me straight up that if you don't go have an education, you will be a failure and not be successful in any other opportunity you get if you don't obtain that education. I believe that Mr. Deaver or the teacher made an impact on me and how I view education today. So these written assessments that I did really um, let me think and on how these on how it's very crucial that teachers know what type of standards when to use and learning objectives and lesson plans, and how teachers are very are fundamental for students' lives because they impact their education.